Hello everyone, Jonas here from Jonas Tries Anything. Today I'm gonna try fixing one of my car's broken front fender. I don't want to replace it as of yet because if we can fix it, then I'll go that route. Saves money. As you can see, I tried to duct tape it. No avail. The duct tape keeps getting ripped out as it was exposed to the elements. And yeah, today I'm gonna try out this product right here. It's from Temu, and this is a plastic welder. So right here is our welder, and that's not part of it. This one is the welder, and we have the clips. The clips are shaped in a way that it will, once it melts the plastic, it will hold on to this and basically it's like stapling it. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. Different staples for different types of usage. This one is like a staple. So I'm gonna use this one. Okay. The way it goes, it just goes in here. See these little pins? It coincides with the holes here. So basically, I just put it in the hole, just like that, and then plug it in, and then turn this on. There's also an LED light here. You see? Oh yeah, that gets hot. There's also an LED light so you can see where you are working at. Okay. All right, I'm down to the last one here. You can see this. The light, it's burning. It's going in. Then unplug. There. There you go, my friends. Basically, that's how I did this. I did the top here to connect this to two panels, or two pieces of the panel. Then I went down, and then I just follow a snake pattern. I still need one over here. So I wanted to show you guys how to do that. And by the way, if you don't press this one does not burn you. So that's a good plus. So let me put that last staple here. Then I'm gonna show you how this one works. So I just press this button, and then the LED light will turn on. And then this filament will heat up. Just like that. See how it goes inside the plastic, and when the plastic melts, it keeps the metal inside it. All right, here we are. I'm done stapling or welding all of these right there. As you can see here, I used a different type. So this one, the squiggly one, is to bridge the big gap, and then this smaller squiggly ones I use in between the bigger ones, just to fill in that gap. And it seems pretty strong so far. All right, I've grinded this part right here just to see how it goes. And yeah, you just have to grind those metal out, and then the other ones are already inside the plastic, so that's fine. So yeah, just have to go all the way up and down here and complete this. All right, finish grinding here. Just look here, there's still some sharper metal here, but again, I'm gonna hit this with the sandpaper or the sander, and that should smoothen all this out. Preparation for putty and painting. Yeah, I would recommend this product. Take note, it does get warm. It's not overly hot, but it's just warm. So I just wish they would have like a handle here, like this, like a gun. But for the price, I think it's a bargain. I think it's a good deal. And again, I was able to fix this right here. See, they're all connected now. And I will just sand this and prep this for painting. And again, highly recommend. Came with a lot of cartridges, so whatever fits your need. Yeah, so yeah, click on the description below. The link to this product is there. Again, this is not sponsored. This is just me doing an honest review of the products I purchased from Temu, and hopefully this will help you guys out. And again, DIY to save money is always great. All right, till next time, this is Jonas. Peace out.